We're probably the last village team in the East Gwent League, to be honest, and that's happening everywhere.
Tinern Abbey.
Oh.
East Gwent Division 2.
We've got progressively worse over the last 3 years, so it suits us now in the bottom division.
There's a side at the top of the league at the minute, they're unbeaten all season, and then there's some teams that haven't won a game all season, and then we're sort of in the middle somewhere.
Going better than last year. We won 1 game last year and then got them deducted from us at the end of the season, so we ended up with 0 points. But I don't want to talk about it.
I call it tic-tacker football because we've got a little lad in midfield called Tacker, and we like to try and knock it around.
We haven't really got a clue, to be honest. 1 minute we could play tic-tacker, 1 minute we could play long ball.
Solid. Solid is what yeah, solid.
I love a hoof. There's nothing wrong with that. If it's out, it's safe, isn't it?
He's still got it!
1200? 1100? I don't know.
Start of the 11th century.
Yeah.
Probably.
1131. I'm going to thank someone for that.
1131.
1131.
I think it was founded in the year of my birth, which is 1131.
Great club, great friends, all stick together, love a good night out as well.
It's a village club. It's run by the village for the village, for everyone who wants to play.
The club's like a family, do you know what I mean?
You just got to go into the pub. They'll be talking about the game before, afterwards, and all through the week.
Well, the best club I've ever played for, definitely.
I've lived here 43 years. I think you'd sometimes take it for granted, and I come down here today and looked at it, I thought, I can see why you're here. It's a wonderful place.